During a webcast on Thursday, Microsoft announced Windows 11. Even though Microsoft's revenue comes primarily from providing cloud-based services, Windows represents a substantial portion of Microsoft's revenue as the firm has grown. Microsoft claimed increasing Windows income from consumers' PCs but also from PCs running Google's Chrome operating system. The payment processor in the Windows Store, which takes 12% of purchases, was mentioned. Developers can use their own payment processor and keep 100% of purchases. The company has struck a blow against both Apple and Google, as both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store have 15% to 30% service fees from its customers. Game vendors like Steam also collect similar fees. Microsoft announced a means to install Android apps on Windows PCs using Amazon's App Store platform. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella made this suggestion, saying that large programs on Windows can become platforms of their own, echoing earlier statements. Microsoft stated that Windows 11 will enable users to use Amazon's App Store. That means popular smartphone apps will be available right on the desktop, in the Start menu, and more. The Amazon App Store does not offer Android apps such as Gmail, Maps, and other Google services. On the other hand, for Microsoft's ARM-based Windows programs, they are already intended to function on mobile CPUs. This is comparable to how M1-based Macs can run both Mac OS and iOS apps. A big increase in mobile apps are now moving to our desktop computers across both major platforms, Windows 11 and Mac OS. Microsoft will be incorporating Xbox functionality into Windows 11. Microsoft Teams' Microsoft System-wide messaging service is getting a major update to further streamline the interface. On the start screen, applications and files recently used across a variety of devices are available along with a search box. Today is a huge milestone in the history of Windows, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella stated. Windows Widgets is a repackaging of a previous implemented feature providing news, weather, and other information. And when Windows 11 users add displays, the operating system will remember which apps were being used before. It has been months since Microsoft had added a means for people to start video calls through its Skype program. The company is making it easy for users who are using the operating system without a keyboard to alter the size of program windows. Applications may be sold without Microsoft getting a cut of the profits. With PC health checks from Microsoft, you can see if your PC is ready to update to Windows 11 free of charge. The upgrade will be accessible for Windows users through the Setting app and will last until 2022. The version included rounded corners of application windows, revamped animations, and a start menu centered in the center of the screen, among the other improvements. The Windows update is anticipated to bring with it a change to the Store app.